Kitty, 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 where are you? Kitty, where could kitty be? Kitty, oh, there you are. I bet you're hungry. Let me get some milk. Okay. Kitty, come over here. Here's your milk. Loving it? Yum, yum, yum. Finally we're home. What a hot day it is. Yeah, you're right. Let's proceed to the kitchen and prepare for dinner. Okay.
Tatiana.
Oh, hi Pinky. Hi Aurora. How was your trip? I bet both of you are so tired. Oh, hi Mila. Yeah, you're right. It was pretty much exhausting. Yeah, but it was fun. And we bought several things. And they're in the fridge. And what do we have here? Well, we have some vegetables, we have some fruits, and spices too. And I'll be preparing something you really like. Oh, really? Wow! Oh no! Kitty, what have you done? Oh, yuck! Finally, I can take some rest. Oh, hi, Violet. Are you feeling unwell? I bet you're hungry. Dinner will be served in a while. Don't worry. Oh, yes. My masterpiece is almost done. Smells good. Oh, wow! I bet everybody will love it. Hey guys, come over now in the dining. Dinner is served. Oh, wow! The turkey is so ginormous. Looks so good, but it's yummy too. Can't wait. Didn't know you can cook this well, Pinky. It's an old recipe from Grandma. I hope I got it right. It smells so good. Mila, can you slice it now? Yum, 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 yum. So crunchy and yummy. Yum, 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 yummy. So crunchy. So good. That was nice. I hope everybody loved it. I'm so full. Yummy. Oh, the babies are fast asleep. I bet they're tired from playing and singing. Miles is slightly awake. Maybe she likes me to sing. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. Alright, everybody's asleep. Me to take a nap too. Finally able to stretch my legs now. Kitty, I can play with you now. But promise, tomorrow we'll play a lot, okay? Don't worry. Hello, Aurora speaking. Oh, Nina, sleepover tonight? Okay, let me inform Pinky and I'll call you back in a while, okay? Okay. Hey, Pinky. Nina has just called and she's inviting me for sleepover. It has been a plan for quite some time with our friends and it's finally happening. I'll be out tonight. Have fun, Aurora. Oh, you bring some food for your friends, okay? And send my regards to Nina, okay? Enjoy!
Tatiana.